Come on a journey with me. We're going to Italy. Not just any trip, mind you. This is about unlocking the secrets of Italian cooking. Are you ready? Italian food is more than just pasta and pizza. It's about fresh flavors. It's about family traditions passed down. We're going to dive deep into the heart of Italian cuisine. Get your aprons ready. Imagine the smell of garlic sizzling in olive oil. Picture perfectly cooked pasta al dente, just how they like it in Rome. We're going to learn these recipes together. We'll uncover the tricks that make this food so special. This is about more than just following a recipe. It's about understanding the soul of Italian food. Get ready for an adventure. Get ready to cook like a real Italian. Let's start simple. Day one is all about pasta aglio e olio. This dish is a staple in Italian homes. It's easy to make, but bursting with flavor. We only need a few key ingredients. Grab some good quality olive oil, fresh garlic, chili flakes, and your favorite pasta. Don't forget a sprinkle of parsley and a good grating of Parmesan cheese. Now, the secret is in the technique. Gently toast the garlic in olive oil. Be careful not to burn it. It will make the dish bitter. Add a pinch of chili flakes for a kick. Cook the pasta al dente, then toss it in the garlicky oil. Add a splash of pasta water. This will create a silky sauce. That's it. Your simple, delicious pasta aglio e olio is ready. Ready for day two? Today we're tackling risotto alla milanese. This creamy rice dish is infused with saffron. It's rich, elegant, and oh so Italian. The key to a perfect risotto is patience. We'll slowly add warm broth to the rice. Stir it constantly. This allows the rice to release its starches, creating that creamy texture. A pinch of saffron is our secret ingredient. It gives the risotto a beautiful golden hue and a unique earthy flavor. Don't be shy with the Parmesan cheese. Risotto alla Milanese is often served with ossobuco, a slow-braised veal shank. But honestly, it's a star on its own. Enjoy the rich flavors of this classic Italian dish. Pizza night. Today we're going to Naples, the birthplace of pizza. Get ready to make your own Neapolitan pizza. First, we need a good dough. We'll use strong bread flour, yeast, water, and a pinch of salt. Kneading is key. It develops the gluten and gives the pizza its chewy texture. For the sauce, we'll use San Marzano tomatoes. They have a sweet, slightly tart flavor. Crush them by hand and season with oregano and salt. Now for the toppings. Keep it simple and classic. Fresh mozzarella, torn basil leaves, and a drizzle of olive oil are all you need. Use a pizza stone or a hot oven to bake your pizza. It should be cooked quickly, giving you a crispy crust with a soft, airy center. Buon appetito! Get ready for a culinary adventure today. It's time to tackle ossobuco, a traditional Milanese dish. Ossobuco is a slow braised veal shank, cooked until it's fall off the bone tender. We'll brown the shanks first, then we'll braise them in white wine, broth and vegetables. This dish is all about building layers of flavor. The veal shanks release their rich juices into the sauce, and the vegetables add sweetness and depth. The secret ingredient is gremolata, a zesty mix of lemon zest, parsley and garlic. It cuts through the richness of the dish. Serve your ossobuco with creamy polenta or risotto. This is Italian comfort food at its finest. Day 5, crafting the perfect tiramisu. Our Italian culinary journey wouldn't be complete without a show-stopping dessert. Today we're making tiramisu, a classic Italian treat. Tiramisu means pick me up in Italian, and trust me, this dessert will lift your spirits. We'll start by brewing strong espresso and letting it cool. Then we'll dip ladyfingers into the coffee. We'll layer them in a dish with a mixture of mascarpone cheese, eggs, sugar and masala wine. The key is to let the tiramisu chill in the refrigerator for a few hours. This allows the flavors to meld and the ladyfingers to soak up all that delicious coffee and mascarpone cream. Just before serving, dust it with cocoa powder. Enjoy! Italian kitchen secrets, tips and tricks from Nonna. Let's take a break from the recipes. Let's talk about the heart of Italian cooking. Nonna's kitchen secret. Nonna, the Italian grandmother, is the keeper of culinary wisdom. She knows all the tricks for making food taste amazing. Use good quality olive oil. It's the foundation of many Italian dishes. Don't be afraid to salt your pasta water generously. It seasons the pasta from within. Always cook your pasta al dente. It should have a slight bite to it. And never, ever rinse your pasta after draining it. That washes away all the starch that helps the sauce cling to it. The Italian table, a celebration of food and family. In Italy, food is more than just sustenance. It's a celebration of life, family, and tradition. Meals are meant to be enjoyed slowly, with good company and lots of laughter. The Italian table is a place where family and friends gather. They share stories, laughter, and of course, delicious food. It's a time for connection and creating memories. Antipasti, the Italian appetizer, is a great way to start a meal. Think cured meats, cheeses, olives, and marinated vegetables. It's a taste of what's to come. And don't forget the wine. Italy is renowned for its wines. A glass of red or white wine perfectly complements the flavors of Italian cuisine. So gather your loved ones, set a beautiful table, and savor the moment. Buon appetito! Arrivederci, Chef Matthew, a culinary journey completed. Well done, everyone. We've reached the end of our Italian culinary adventure. I hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as I have. We've learned to make classic Italian dishes. From the simplicity of pasta aglio e olio to the elegance of risotto alla milanese, we've conquered them all. Remember, Italian cooking is about using fresh ingredients. It's about respecting tradition, and most importantly, it's about sharing your love of food with those you care about. Now go forth and impress your friends and family with your newfound Italian culinary skills. Ciao for now and happy cooking.